In this simple and straightforward video, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js. What is Node.js? Think of a foundation and a house. Node.js acts as a foundation, and the house in this case, it's a modern JavaScript application. This application can be built with React, Vue, or Angular. It can be a web or a mobile application. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. You will visit nodejs.org and then you will be presented with option. As you can see here, I already got 64-bit. What if maybe you don't know your operating system? You can just in Windows go to this to my computer and then right click and then click properties. And then from here you can see under system type it will tell you if you are using a 64-bit or a 32-bit system. And then from there you will come back here and you will install and then you will download. I'm just going to wait for the download to finish. I'm going to pause the video in order to save your time. The installation has finished, so you will click here and open the folder. In your downloads folder, you can install this application. As you can see, Node is loading. This is very simple. You just click next, accept, and then click next. And then you just click next, and then click next, and then install. That is it, nothing much to it. After we have installed it, obviously you are not going to see anything in your computer. So what we are going to do, we are going to open Visual Studio Code or any command line interface and just check to confirm if we have installed. First, let's start with a simple one, opening a command line. In Windows, you can go here and type cmd and then let's just say run as administrator. And then here you will just type node-v and then you will click to enter. We are trying to check which version of Node is installed in our system. As you can see, we get back v20. This means that we have successfully installed Node. Let's say you want to check the same thing on Visual Studio Code. You can just go to Visual Studio Code and click open. And then you will open a command line. In the command line, you will type the same command. Okay, we'll just have to wait for my slow system. My apologies for that. Okay, as you can see guys, now it has shown. Let's type node-v. As you can see, we've got version 20. If maybe something goes wrong in your computer or it doesn't show the version number, it will mean that Node has not been successfully installed. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. If this video was helpful, please help me to reach million subscribers and hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one.